holla at your boys when I'm out there, bro. Let's see, we're gonna do a little closing POV. A nighttime in Jersey. I'm just tired, bro. I'm trying to sleep. I've been up all day. Nigga fly was 5 in the morning, so I had to stay up to drop this nigga off, bro. You can hear my voice. I'm mad tired. But I'm gonna holla at your boys when I get there. Bro, talk, boy. Sitting right. Oh, man. Tired as shit, bro. I'm tired as hell, dog. But listen, man. I'm gonna holla at your boy when I'm back on the road and shit. Alright, y'all. We're gonna head back now. Man. Nah, you're a cool guy. So we're gonna head out now. Strictly on the engine sound you're about to hear, nothing else. I'm not about to be doing too much talking though. Exit out here. Is he turning? I'm not turning, bro. I'm going straight. How would I beat that light? These guys are slow. I can't even see her for that's how dark it is. I'm waiting at this traffic light for a minute, bro. I don't want to be on no menace time. Yeah, I could act like I'm turning right and just speed boost all of them. But that's too much. I'll just wait. It's never that serious. This car in front of me is pretty slow. are pretty slow. I should have passed this dude. He's slow too. Because all these guys is overly slow. It should be illegal to drive this slow. Literally should be illegal to drive this slow, bro. Honestly, it should be illegal to drive this slow. What are they talking about? I'm in the lane, bro. Stop crying. Yeah, I can barely see, bro. That road is curvy, so I'm just trying, you feel me? Trying to be careful because I don't really know the street like that. Yeah, I don't really know the place like that. If I did, I'd be ripping the street, but wherever you're not really familiar with, you gotta really drive careful. And then we are turning. Put the flash in. I want to see how it look. I got a little Beamer driving behind me. He just passed. I think I just booed past the state trooper. Yeah, I just pressing my brake pretty hard. Not doing that again. Jersey's got one of the worst roads of all time. Why that person got a high beams on, bro? Like, are you gonna move or what? beat that. Bro, I'm telling you, winter time, I don't know. Whoever drives over here during winter, bro, yo, look at the roads. This is the most, like, literally, like, the worst of all time. Like, driving here in winter time, I feel bad for anybody. You better be careful. You're gonna lose traction out of there and start sliding. Even right now, like, it feel mad uncomfortable. YouTube, I'm back, bro. My phone had died, so I had to put it on charge real quick. I'm back in the city. A little Beamer, bro. What is this guy doing? You keep pushing, bro. Low ass Beamer is bugging. Oh, I'm hungry. I keep catching all the red lights, bro. Two lane, right? I'm not turning up. Speed boosting up. Wherever it stop with a light with me, I'm gone. I'm speed boosting. Anybody set with the light with me, I'm leaving you. No matter what car you are, I'm sit with the light with me. This is not a sport mode, by the way. The car is in regular mode. Once I put this in sport mode, the engine gonna stop popping. Pop, 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 pop. This is not a sport mode. This is regular mode. I'm gonna go in the campus real quick. Listen, y'all let me know. If y'all like this POV, the next one I drop, I'm gonna put in sport mode for y'all. I'm gonna go on the highway. We're gonna go on the highway. Oh, man. I'm tired, bro. I'm gonna go through the smooth as hell. I got too much speed bumps in the campus, bro. I don't like it at all. Should have just opened your door, not even looking. What are you doing, bro? Alright, don't just jump on the screen. Why people drive like that, yo? Like, you turning on the screen, you just jump on it. Now watching out for ongoing car, look, you going back in the parking lot. So retarded. I might go grab some Subway before it's closed. You got this gram. Yeah, I'm good. That should look nice. Little Christmas card. They be doing that. I guess it's cool. It's cute. It's cute or whatever. I'm trying to go get some Subway right now, y'all. I got you. Next video, I'm gonna put this in sport mode. On it if y'all want to see it though. That's on it if you want to see that. Is it get closed? There ain't nobody in there. Automatically let you go. And let me know though. Next video if y'all want this. Oh my god. This shit closed, bro. Alright, y'all. I'ma holla at y'all boys, man. I think this about to be the end of this video. Cause we not going for that. Yeah, I'm about to end the video. I'm about to go grab some Subway, though. I'm going to holler at y'all boy when I'm back. That's still, man. Like, comment, subscribe, bruh. This is going to be the end of the video. I'm bored. I'm going to do another POV for y'all, for sure. And let me know what y'all thinking. I'm going to do another POV for y'all, man.